local sides and right from the world goal focus has the chance to decide who the lead this half-time out. Open the floodgates, but at the end of all this, had no ideas. So went forward via Joseph.
And then the sunset, young Christian, and who was the FIFA, you said,
Great finish from narzary. Very good, so simple. That was Tyson on the right hand side.
This was a holding problematic. Perfect. Super stuff and was big finish. Keep an eye on this fight. He should go under.
So proactive, Emerson coming on. Indeed, that finish was so simple. Wasn't that easy. The youngster, it was Aaron Papa driving forward on his own.
He's both on. He was on the water side. He's too close to
So hungry for more. Then Bodoland. Couldn't put it past Bushy.
This was the one who came protected from a distance to everything.
More joyous call and had the end of. This was Coffee time right. With a splendid pass towards Clifford. The senior man completing his hat-trick with the team.
This was the final moment.